I thought ChatGPT would finally fix my lesson prep chaos, but the first time I used it, my students literally said, "This looks like you copy-pasted from Google." That's when it hit me. The problem wasn't ChatGPT, the problem was me. However, one shift turned my lesson plans from generic junk into customized lessons that actually worked for my students. Most teachers only use prompts, but prompts are like exam questions, short and limited. Without context, the syllabus, the rubric, the real mistakes your students make, the question is meaningless. That's the missing piece, and it's why so many teachers try AI once and walk away disappointed. I typed, "Write an essay lesson plan for university EFL students on 5-paragraph structure and transitions." Here's what I got. Explain the structure, practice transitions, assign an essay. Looks fine, right? But it could apply to any class anywhere. Nothing about my rubric, nothing about my students. This is why your first AI lesson plan usually feels bland and why most teachers quit here. But watch what happens when I change one thing. This time I added context. Inside a ChatGPT project, I uploaded my syllabus, strong and weak student essays, and my grading rubric. Then I told ChatGPT, "You are my teaching assistant. My students struggle with transitions and organization." Same prompt, but now look at the difference. The warm-up uses real student errors. The practice activity highlights transitions pulled straight from the essays I uploaded. The homework matches my rubric exactly. Same tool, same words, but suddenly the plan feels like it was written for my class. And here's the twist. Once I uploaded that context, I don't have to redo it. I can reuse it every semester. I can tweak it for stronger or weaker groups. I can even share it with another teacher, and it still works. That's not just saving time, that's differentiation at scale. If you've only been writing prompts, you're missing half the picture. Add real context, and suddenly ChatGPT stops spitting out generic junk. It starts teaching your class. But even with context, there's still a flaw. AI usually takes the easy path. One straight line, one draft. In my next video, I'll show you how to force AI to think in branches, arguing with itself until only the strongest answer survives. That's tree of thought prompting, and it changes everything.